Good morning. Today we're going to work on the F250 again. We're going to get this engine swapped from this frame to this frame behind me. And yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to manage to get the whole assembly over. It's going to be pretty heavy with the transmission, the transfer case, and the engine all in one. I don't want to take more apart than I have to on it. We'll probably have to get a little creative with it, but we're gonna get it done. Let's do it. Alrighty, first things first, we're gonna see if we can get this transmission and engine unbolted. The mounts were bent on the other side, so I guess we'll see how that all works. Well, maybe. It's coming loose. It's coming loose. Here it is. That is number 3. It's all done for this side. Two. That'll make it so much easier. Alrighty, so we've got this engine and transmission out of here. Check it out. Look at that. That is just insane. So much frame damage. But yeah, here is the damage to the oil filter. As you can see, we've got a broken bolt in there, so we're gonna have to use the extraction kit, and this also broken off. I don't know how we're gonna be able to use that or not, but I guess we'll see. We've got a new oil filter kit over here in this box. This is the SPE oil filter kit. Very cool. We've got a high flow cap filter here. Can't get it out with one hand. Very cool. Huge filter. There we go. Set that down. Put it in this box. Got a little handwritten thank you note in there. That's pretty cool. here it is. Very good. That should work very nicely. Should be better than the factory.
And now I can't imagine me with anybody else as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Alrighty, that is pretty much it for today. But we're waiting on some parts. We need the motor mounts. That's why we didn't put it in here right away. And also, I'd like to probably get this front suspension on there before we put the engine and transmission on there. Okay, it is the next day, and as I mentioned, we are waiting on some parts in here before we can continue working on this frame swap. So what I'm going to do now is the airbag control module and the seat belts came back. So we're going to go work on the interior again, and once we get the seat belts installed and the airbag control module, the interior is going to be 100% complete. So I'm going to go do that now.
Don't play with my heart. Just let me go, please let me go. You like to love so hard and then you throw it away. You like to open skies and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. What you love so hard and then just throw it away. You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So don't you blame it on me. You never knew how bad it was. Guess you never really cared because you said your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You made me love so hard, but then you threw it away. You like to open skies and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. What you love so hard and then just throw it away. You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't you blame it on me. Yeah. You open skies. You open all my skies and then you blame it on me.
Alrighty, we've got this interior 100% complete. We got all the airbags replaced, seat belts work again, looking great. We got it cleaned up. We got the carpets vacuumed out. We got it looking pretty good. Check it out. Next thing we gotta do is get that windshield replaced, and the cab is done.
So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die.
That, my friends, is the end of today's episode. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe as well for the next video, where we will be working on putting back together this entire mess that I have behind me here. Thank you. Peace out.